dead.
This beach we found here is no joke. These waves here are nuts. The waves are very angry. The waves are so angry. I'm afraid to get in the water because you'll basically get blasted out. It comes up way up here so fast, and then it just pulls you down with the current. And these sand beads, these are like huge glass beads here in the sand, which is really cool looking. Oh. So it doesn't hurt your feet. Woo. Oh, that's a big boy.
We're gonna have stuff for
Ooh. I don't have a choice. I gotta protect the camera.
It's waterproof.
Kind of, I hope. This is salt water. It's probably not too helpful. Man, look at this wave. It's just crazy. Ah! It also feels like sandpaper when it hits you because of all those glass beads. But yeah, this place is nuts. Oh! The water's trying to pull me in. Ooh! Oh, that's a big one. I got water coming at me from, oh geez, look at that. Ah. And it's so foamy. Oh. Jeez, dude, that is nuts. Holy crap. Dang, another one like that, I'm gonna get knocked over. Dude, that is crazy. Oh. It's thick. Oh my gosh, it's up to my knees how much water came up here. Gosh.
Look at that.
Yeah, it was digging a hole for me. It's just like building up right here. I had to do it quick, dude.
He's dead.
I was worried about that guy coming after me.
That's a big one.
It seems like it's not dangerous, but it is. Okay, it cooled off a little. This one's looking sketch. It's not as bad. It cooled off a little. Oh, that's huge. Holy crap. That thing is a problem. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's coming for me. Dang it. Yeah, that's hardcore. Jeez. It's unrelenting.